This is a follow-up to this morning's trade that we had placed on UK 100. I just wanted to show you something. So we took the trade, or rather, I took the trade this morning. If you remember, here at this place here. So this is where I had taken the trade, right? And from here, right? Let me just get this from here to here now. It is 20 points, 24 points. But when did it really come into profit was somewhere here. That is 65 candles later. 65 candles later. So 65 candles is what? 5 hours, 5.5 hours. But it has made its way up, right? So we obviously will now move the stop loss to just above break even, and we let it go. Now let's look at the other trades. Look at US 30. You remember I said if it goes above here, we'll take a trade. Obviously I was not watching, but it went up. And this is a previous high. It broke through that. And this is another previous high. If it breaks through that, it's going to go higher. So if we had paid attention and got in here, we would have been 143 points in profit over here. The NAS is the same. It broke through this structure here, the resistance. So if we had gotten, we would have gotten here, and it broke through this. Right now it is 66 points in profit. Let's look at DAX. DAX did not break through. DAX did not break through. So this is the high. It did not break through. So it went through. It had a what do you call that? A break over here. But look at this. What is this? This is the 1 hour support. Remember, we had drawn the 1 hour support. It is a 1 hour support, and it came to the support and it went out. So if you were trading DAX, and let's say here is where it broke through, right? You were trading DAX or here, wherever, and you saw it. Let's say you went from here, you saw it go here. The moment it reversed here, you get out with 36 points. Otherwise, the support is going to kick you. It's going to bounce you out. So this is one way of using support and resistance along with the moving average. Now, do you continue? Let's say you got in here. Do you continue with this trade? Do you start a trade here or not? Now look at this. Now I have obviously not drawn the next level. The next level is here, right here, right? So if you have to get into trade, you want it to break through that level, and only then you will get into trade. That is for NAS. For US 30, US 30 is a little tricky right now. Yeah, it's here. This is the level. You want it to break that level, right? As you can see, it is a pretty significant level. Now I'm not drawing zones because it will get cluttered. That's why I'm doing this now. So what do you want it to do? Right? You want it to clear that level. So you let a new candle open outside this zone here. You can ride it up to, even if it opens here, you have about 67, 50 points. Then you either close it. If it breaks through, you carry on, or it will reverse. So that's how we draw support and resistance lines. I hope it helps you. It's very interesting how we drew these two lines and how it respected it. But we drew it here. We were looking at this drop down, and here. This is where we drew the line there and here. So from here to here, it was 70, almost 6 hours it took to come. So if you look at it from the 1 hour point of view, here we drew the line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours. It took 7 hours to break out of here. So I hope it helps.